In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is refurbished or not. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and tap on General. Next, tap on About. And here you can easily find model number. Here it is, and if that number starts with letter M, that means that this iPhone is new model, so when I bought it, it was definitely not refurbished. If serial number starts with letter F, that means that that model is actually refurbished. So you can easily check in that simple way if your iPhone is refurbished or not. I hope this helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.